What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be installing a front pipe for this car. I just picked it up yesterday. It was like on Facebook for like $100. It's the Invidia one. I think it's 2.7 inches. And we got the car jacked up right now. Anthony's about to come through in about 5 to 10 minutes, and that's we'll get it started. Hey.
Alright, get out of here.
Alright, so Anthony just came.
Nice over there. Ooh.
Shout out to Anthony. It's such a nice. Look at the camera. Look at that.
Oh wow. Oh, that shit ugly right there. What is that?
Damn, look.
Ugly. Wait, what the fuck?
Ooh.
Your mom. Alright, let's get this started.
So what are we doing today?
Mom. Hey, God damn it! Putting on this bootleg front pipe.
Bootleg.
Invidia.
It's gonna be loud, dude.
Don't put that in there. What?
Alright, so I took out these spring bolts already. It's just two in the middle. It connects to the
Mid pipe.
mid pipe. Yeah, mid pipe. Wait, why is there a battery right there?
Bro, this is your house, huh?
Alright, let's get it started.
Oh,
I'm happy. I'm excited.
Alright, what's going down right now, dog?
Hold on, wait, where's my keys?
Up your ass.
Alright, so
This guy's a coon.
come over here. I'll show you the stock front pipe and the.
You made me go
Why are you
fucking
walking
all the
all
way
the way
around. God damn it.
Alright, so.
Okay.
Oh, this is significantly heavier. A little weight reduction, you know what I mean? So, stock front pipe, Invidia front pipe.
Okay.
Super legal. So everything on here is fine. Yeah.
Alright, he's gonna start it with no front. Open front pipe. I mean, okay. He's a fucking goon, dude. Look at this dude.
Open front pipe testing. And then later, Anthony will give me that pipe.
Wait. Yo, cut. Alright. This is gonna be kind of loud, but. No. Jesus.
Oh, that's so
Alright, red line. I was kidding, goddamn. Okay. Alright, you're a fucking goon, bro. You're a goon. Okay, alright. I'm gonna head out. Oh, yeah, that's right, bitch. Come back here. Oh, yeah, alright. Get out of here. Oh. I mean. Oh, he's a goon. Oh.
Get from the side.
Oh.
Alright, let's get it.
Ugly.
Let's put the video on.
Alright, turn that shit off. Oh, I said turn that shit off. God damn it.
My bad, man.
Goon.
I should hit the gas.
Hey, your mom. What the fuck?
Go ahead and start it. So everything is installed now. Everything. Oh, dude, I don't have any tread left. Oh.
What? Yeah, you're right. Woo!
Alright, cold start it is. Oh shit, that's loud. Not bad. Damn. Alright, Anthony, have fun at work. I love you long time.